All right, good morning. My name is Luke Mitchell. I'm with the Ventura City Fire Department from Southern California, about an hour north of LA. I'm a part of our apparatus committee that is in charge of inspecting and speccing out our Pierce engines. This is the number 5 and number 6 Pierce product that the city of Ventura has purchased. We have here today 2 Aero XT pumpers. We have 2 existing pumpers in our fleet. We have a tiller aerial ladder truck, and we have a hazmat rig, all Pierce products. This particular unit here is going to be replacing some older equipment in the city of Ventura. We have the Aero XT cab with a 10-inch raised roof and the TAC-4 front suspension. In our city of Ventura, we have a very steep and sharp corners in a lot of our hillside homes and areas. So this TAC-4 suspension is great for being extremely maneuverable in some of these tight areas that we operate in. Some of the unique features that we have on this rig, we added a smaller stirrup step on this last round of engines to make it a little bit easier for the crews to get up and in the rig. One of the custom things that we've done inside the cab is we've created a custom map box where we put all of our maps and all of our books and binders and other equipment inside the cab. In addition to that, we have plenty of space for all of our PPE that we need to carry along with us. Moving on to the pump. Our previous 2 engines, we switched from a dual stage pump to a single stage pump. So this is the Water CSU 1500 pump. We have the Pump Boss pressure governor from a Pierce product that we've been happy with. And then moving on to some other customizations that we've done. We've done a custom toolbox in this compartment where we have the engineer has all of his tools and equipment and these custom drawers. And then one of the biggest changes that we've done on this build is that we got rid of our generator and we went to an inverter charger. So it's a 2,000 watt inverter, and we went to all LED lights. So with this inverter, we've created a ton of space and more compartmentalization, and we'll show that on the other side of the engine. We went with the triple bottle storage compartments around the wheel wells to increase our storage compartmentalization in other areas. So we can carry 3 SCBA bottles here. We have our fuel fill, def fill, and an additional space here. That opens up, and we mount tools, forcible entry equipment on both sides of the pegboard. These compartments are fairly standard for us. Looking at the back, one of the things we've done back here is we've recessed our floodlights back here, flood and spotlights, to make it work with our hydraulic ladder rack over here on this side. We added a rear discharge to this build for WUI capabilities. And then one of the biggest changes that we've accomplished on this build is that we've removed the crossbar from the rear of the hose bed. So when we open up the hose bed covers, there's no bar or anything getting in the way of people getting up and loading hose, and it makes for a safer operation. Let's see, moving on to this side over here. Standard compartments on these 2 are the same on the other side. Let's see. Here we've created a large compartment for all of our SCBAs. We're actually able to fit 4 SCBAs mounted in this compartment. And then same thing on this side, matching 3-bottle storage compartments. We have the dual fuel fill on this side, 2 bottles here, 3 additional bottles here. And let's see, so this compartment over here is where the generator was on our previous build. So as you can see now, with the addition of the inverter, we've created this huge amount of space up here. So we've gained a significant amount of compartment space by moving to the inverter, which is great for us. And then looking up here, I'm not sure if you can see it, we've added a Palmer light to the rear of the cab for lighting when we're loading hose at nighttime. And then let's see, moving forward, we had pole lights here that partially blocked the hose coming out of the crosslays. So we removed the pole lights and we went with a spot floodlight up on the side of the engine that actually provides more light than our previous lights. All right, well, that completes our tour of our 2 new Pierce Aero XT pumpers. Thank you very much for letting me show you and take you on a tour today, and hope to see you soon.